dot red. Okay, if I hot reload this, if I hot reload this, why this is not working? Hmm. Sanwaj,
Yes, Roshan.
our button is not showing.
It's
It
came
is
Roshan.
pink.
Play.
It's
It
showing
came
Roshan.
Roshan.
But I have set color is
Color
color
change.
dot red. Then why the background color is not changed? Sanwaj, Divya,
Yes,
I have
looking.
set colors dot red.
Mm.
Then why our background color is white? I have already discussed with you on pressed method. If I set on pressed is null, then our button is disabled, right? Yes or no? If I
Yes.
set on pressed method with null, then our button is disabled, right?
Okay, Roshan.
So if I remove null and like this, if I refresh this, then you can see that color.
Yes.
Yes, Roshan.
Understand?
Yes, Roshan.
If I press, if I define our on press method with null, then our button is disabled. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, Roshan.
That's why it's not showing the color. So now we have a button. Then we can, okay, create a side box. No, only side box. And in this side box, height is 30. In future, we'll learn how to curve this button, okay, like corner radius and elevation and all. But for now, we have a logo, that is our network image. We have a asset image and we have a button. If I click on this button, then what happens? Sanwaj,
Yes, Roshan.
if I click on this button,
Randomly, we need to get dice images.
we have to change this image. Okay,
Yes.
so we create a method, our change dice image. Okay, and we can create this method here like change dice image. In this image, today we will learn very important topic, that is set state. We haven't changed anything in our app. The dice image, this is dice image. And why? Oh, have to create after this build method, change dice image. In dice image, we have a set state. We have a property called set state method. With the help of set state, we can manage our application state with the help of this set state method. In set state, like if I create a variable where image name is equal to, if I define this like asset and if I pass here image name, is this working? We can also create a variable. We have created a variable that is store our file name, file path, right? Asset dice4.png. We can or not, Dibya? We can store our file name with in this variable. We can or not?
Yes, we can.
Okay, and this I have passed this variable name in this asset image, right?
Yes, Roshan.
So when user click on this button, so our image will be changed. So image name is equal to now our image name is assets hyphen dice 2 dot png, dice 2 dot png. Understand? So if I refresh, reload this, and if I click on this button, then what will happen?
Dice 2.
Dice, our image will,
Dice 2 should reflect.
understand?
Yes.
And now if I click on play, nothing happened because we have already set a dice 2, right?
Okay.
Yes, Roshan.
Understand? For that we have used a set state method, right? In change dice image method, we have defined set state, and in set state we will change this image name state, right? We'll change this variable state with asset dice 2. Understand?
Yes.
We can define dice 3 and all. We click on this dice 3. Understand? Sanwaj?
Yes, Roshan. Yeah.
Understand how we can change our state, variable state in Flutter
Yeah, Roshan. Yes, Roshan. Okay.
with the help of set state
Set
Set
method.
step method. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if I click on this, then the image will be changed. But what we want,
We want randomly
we want
changing
if
the.
I click on this play button, the image will be changed on the random basis every
Yes.
time, right?
Yes.
So how we can perform this task? So we have a random, and our random and is equal to new random. What is this, Sanwaj? We have already used this in Dart, this random class.
Defining the class.
Random new defining a new random
Define.
ob- object.
Hmm.
Defining the new random object.
Defining a new random object. What is this random?
A
It's a
function,
function.
Roshan.
Function which that that is already defined in our Dart package.
Dart
So
package.
for
Yes.
that we have to import our library Dart math. So you can see that import Dart math. This is the function which is present in our math class, right?
Yes.
Simply click on this, we can easily see that our all the method abstract class random. Can you see? This is the part of Dart math.
Yes.
Understand? So this give our random value, right? And if so, I define int index is equal to random dot next int. Why? If I define 5, and I print this like index value. So our random value maximum limit is 5. Understand?
Yeah.
This is our maximum value, like 1 to 5. Random value will start from 1, and what our maximum value is 5.
Yeah.
Okay. If I run this, hot reload this, and if I go into terminal and click on play, this is a 3. We can see that.
Yes.
If I click on again, 3, 1, 4, 2, this is the random value, right? Can you
Yes.
see?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Roshan. Okay.
This is our random value. But you can
We're
see
getting
that
only
the
3,
random value
5.
from 0 to 4, not 5. Can you see?
Yes.
So, same like array, in array, the index will be start from
Start from
0,
0.
right?
Yes.
So, what we want? We want
1,
7.
2.
We have to pass 7 because we have 6 image.
Okay.
Or we can pass like 6 and plus 1. So now our random value is from 6 to 1, not from 0. 6 to 1. Understand? Like if I click on this, play 2, 2, 5. Now we can see 5,
Yes.
4, 1, 2, not 0. Where is 6?
6 is
Yeah,
not written.
yeah, 6. Yeah, this
It's
is random value.
yes.
It depends on our luck. 6, 5, not 0, because we have set maximum value and minimum value,
Minimum value.
right? If I pass here 2, then
We'll start
5,
from
6,
2 only.
7, 2, 6, not 1.
Yeah, we set from 2
One will
only.
be not displayed. Okay.
And plus 6 plus 2 is 8. So we can get 7. Understand?
Oh,
So now you can create our random function and get a random integer. And on the basis of that random value, we can change our image, right?
yes.
So how I can change image on the basis of this random value? So if I get 1, then dice will be 1. If I get our index is 2, then the dice image will change to 2. So Divya, how I can perform this action?
It's like we can set the state and we can define all the images.
How? If I get 1, index value 1, then our this image name will be dice 1. If I get random value 2, then our image name will be dice 2.
Again, we need to go for switch case, Roshan.
Yeah, we can use switch case. So in switch case, first remove this line, switch case, or using if else. Sanwaj, we can perform this same action using switch case and if and else. We can or not?
We can using switch case, Roshan.
So switch case is a better option. In switch case, first we have to pass our expression. So index, and in case 1, we have to set our state to set state. Divya, what is set state?
Image.
Mm-hmm. Why we use set state?
To change the state.
change the
Except,
state of that particular variable.
yes, set state
In
we
set
can give
state,
image name
image name is equal to
asset
asset
slash dice
hyphen dice
dice
2
one
dot
png
1 dot
one dot png.
png, right?
Yes. Case
And
two.
same in the case of default, oh sorry, default dice 6. Okay, so if I hot reload this and click on this play button, then 6 by default 6, then if I get random value
One.
1, then 1, then by default 6. Understand?
Yes, Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
So every time you have to write this asset hyphen dice 1 dot png. This asset, the path will be same, only this file
Dice.
name will change. So can we concatenate this variable in this our image name like asset image and asset assets hyphen then plus image name, and in image name we can simply pass our dice4.png. Can we do that? Yes or no? Simply I have concatenate this path assets, then image name, and our image name is dice4.png, and here simply dice1.png and dice6.png. Can we do that? Yes or no? Can you hear me, Divya?
Roshan, yes. No, we can now we can hear and your screen is also not visible, Roshan.
Okay, something.
It got disconnected while you are doing concatenation.
Okay. So can we do this concatenation? Can you see my screen now? Is my screen visible?
Yes, Roshan.
So can you perform this
Yes, it's visible.
concatenation or not? Sahnawaz.
Yes, we can interlink each other.
So
Yes,
dice,
Roshan.
I have defined image name is dice1.png, dice4.png, and in our asset image we have already concatenate this with our asset folder, right? So
Yes,
now
Roshan.
we don't have to write this asset slash dice1.png, right? We can simply pass our image name, right? Not complete path. Is this good?
Yes, Roshan.
Okay. So in the case 1, we have set state image 1. Simply copy this and paste 6 times, right?
5 times because default it will come 6.
Dice 1, then dice 2 for case 2, case 3, then case dice 3, then the case 4, this we have dice 4, in dice 5, our image name will be dice5.png, and in dice 6, dice6.png. So is default,
Default is not necessary, right? In this
yeah,
case, no.
default is not necessary,
Or else we can remove the case 6, right?
but but this is a good idea, good habit to define default case in switch case.
Okay.
Okay, every time define default in switch case. That prevent our runtime error.
Okay.
Understand? So
Okay,
if I
Roshan.
hot reload this, then maybe our app is complete. No. Why? Hmm? Assets. Perfect. Then why?
It's running in background. Hard to restart.
Yeah. But this is not working. Yeah,
Assets
asset as oh, where I have defined assets die 6.
twice.
Where
I think it's in default case, Roshan.
no
Not in
dice
default.
4. Mm-hmm. Never. Hmm. Why? Where I have dice 6 image.
It's in a default only, Roshan.
Hmm. In default case, no dice 4 security can not. Okay. Remove this line. Check. Oh, now this is working. If I
Because
click
we
on
gave case 6 and the default both are same, right?
no. If I click on play, then 1, 3, 2, 3, 6, 3, 6. Now we can try our luck. Okay. So our application is finished or something remaining? Remain this application. Dibya,
Yes, Roshan.
our application is finished or not?
Yes, we have created the dice roller, right?
Dice roller.
Hopefully it's finished.
In this project, we have learned how we can use our asset image in Flutter app, how
Network
we
image.
how we use network image, then set
Set
state,
state.
and how we can perform our random function in our Flutter project. Right?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yeah, compared to last projects, this is easy only.
Not easy. Now we have some practice on
Simple.
Flutter. That's why
Uh,
you said easy. Okay. And today I'm trying to teach step by step. Like first I have teach the random function, how random function will work. Then only single switch case. Then only single set state. Right? That's why
yes.
Yes, Roshan.
it is easy for you. So now you can create this application by yourself, or should I provide the code? Means code a screenshot. I never provide this code. Never. So should I provide a screenshot of this code, or you can create by yourself?
Send a screenshot, Roshan, but we will create. We will do it with our own. If any problem is get, we'll go
Lag
through.
anywhere, we will go through that.
Yeah, take help from that image. Okay.
Okay.
So Sandwaz, can you please explain from
Yes,
start
Roshan.
for
Yes,
this
Roshan.
application what we will use? What is our first step?
Yes, Roshan.
Can you please explain? If
First,
I
we
want to
create.
create this application, so what will be the first step and what we are using in this application? What widget and all?
First, we created main dot,
Okay, we have
and then
already
from
created by
yeah,
default.
yeah, and then created homepage dot. Here
Okay.
we imported material package
Mm-hmm.
related to our filter, and then we have created a homepage class with extended stateful widgets.
Mm-hmm.
After that, with home page state,
Mm-hmm.
we get in scaffold we created app bar here in this app bar
Mm-hmm.
and define the title of the application and background image.
Mm-hmm.
In body, first we created a container for images.
Mm-hmm.
Edge insert means it's a surrounding four sides we will get a margin and
Okay.
hello Roshan,
Yeah, I can hear you.
scroll up Roshan.
First, we have to define our asset image in pubspec.yml file for using our asset image, right?
Yes Roshan.
Yeah. Continue.
Okay. After that we created a children and then inserted a network image. By this we can easily insert any image from internet URL.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we tried with the asset image, which are already established in asset folder.
Mm-hmm.
And then we use a flat button for playing with our images like flat dice.
Mm-hmm.
You need to scroll up portion. Flat button. Okay. Here in this flat button, we define the function pressed. Whenever we press the function, we need to change the dice roll
Mm-hmm.
images. That's why we define the function here.
Mm-hmm.
And then here we define in this dice image which is clear already created a function.
Mm-hmm.
We need to perform a random action. So we created a random object by doing a random method.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, random method is not in material package, so we imported a math package here.
Perfect.
After that, we defined an index for
Mm-hmm.
this random object. The index should be of maximum of 6 and the value minimum is 1 value.
Mm-hmm.
It start from 1 but because in dice we don't use 0.
Mm-hmm.
After this, for playing with the images,
Mm-hmm.
we go for the switch case.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we get a random value of 1,
Mm-hmm.
set state, we declare that there is one image.
Mm-hmm.
If the value of the random object value is 2,
Mm-hmm.
that 2 will be appearing output.
Okay.
That's it, Roshan. From my side.
Clear,
Yes,
Divya?
Roshan.
Yes, Roshan. It's clear.
So for today, your assignment is in your login app. First, you have to complete all the assignments that I've already given. In that login app, you have to use this network image and Think AI logo in your application on the place of logo.
Roshan, your voice disconnected, Roshan.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
In login app,
Okay.
on the place of logo, now you can use our Think AI Labs logo in your application
Okay,
with the
Roshan.
help of
Okay.
network image, or simply download this image and using asset image.
Asset image, okay.
Now you can
Yes.
create a awesome login page, an amazing, like colorful and all. Okay, try to get help from Google, find some unique design and build that design. Now you can design anything in Flutter or not with the help of row, column, asset image, network image, button, and all.
Yes, Roshan.
So please find a unique design of login page and create that page in your Flutter. Okay,
Okay.
and please finish all the assignments. In
Okay, Roshan.
calculator app, you have 9 buttons or some nine, no, 9 button, approx 16 button. So please create a amazing calculator app which you have already seen in your mobile phone. Do you have a calculator app in your mobile?
Yes, Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
Please try to clone this application. Please try to clone.
Okay.
You can or not? You
We
can
can
or
do it.
not?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we can do it, Roshan.
I will wait. I will share this screenshot
Okay.
and try to clone this calculator app. Okay, you can clone this application or not? Simply UI and all functionality and all. Not refresh and not that. Simply 3 12